For most people, the year can be divided up into two seasons, the winter and the summer. At Kimbel, we dedicate ourselves to ensuring homeowners are comfortable during both seasons. As an HVAC installer with Kimbel, you'll learn how to run ductwork, install boots, braze copper, and do the work you'll be proud of at the end of each day. You will turn this job into a career by improving every day, gaining valuable skills and training. This knowledge will set you up for continued opportunity and lifelong success. As the seasons change, you'll be learning all aspects of the trade and getting paid while doing this.